Okay, now that we're in our thinking chair, let's think. You will help me, right? Great. So, we're trying to figure out what Ben's favorite Dairy Queen Blizzard is. And it includes our chocolate, brownies, and a cup. So, what could Ben's favorite Dairy Queen Blizzard be with chocolate, brownies, and a cup? Oh, maybe his favorite Dairy Queen Blizzard has got to be inside in the cup. Yeah, maybe we can mix chocolate and brownies together and maybe we scoop them in the cup. That'll be some sort of a flavor that Ben really likes. So, what do you think? What Dairy Queen Blizzard do you think Ben really likes? That's mixed with chocolate and brownies, and you can scoop it, and put it into a cup. Chocolate fudge brownie! That's it! It's Ben's favorite Dairy Queen Blizzard has got to be chocolate fudge brownie because chocolate fudge brownie is a flavor where you can mix the chocolate brownies and the brownies together and you can put them into a cup and that makes this chocolate fudge brownie Dairy Queen Blizzard. Mmm. That's Ben's favorite Dairy Queen Blizzard. We just figured out Blue's Clues. 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 Because we're really smart. Blue, is chocolate fudge brownie Ben's favorite Dairy Queen Blizzard? Well, let's go ask Ben.